And more life. So today we make the Asian, diri jan, and we pair that with baked chicken, madam mean. Yeah, brother. But first, we have to make the epis. Look now, man, me have all of the seasoning for the epis, brother, and we add that in a blender. Add some clove, chicken bouillon, Maggi chicken season. Watch now, man. They will stay so olive oil. Blend it up. Beautiful. Ready for no more life. You're not ready for eat it. Alright, so I make some pickle. Watch now, man. Chop up some cabbage. Red bell pepper, green bell pepper, madam mean. They will stay so shred some carrot, add it in there. Look at that now, man. They will stay so hot pepper, add some vinegar, banana lime. Watch now, man. Bouillon, blend it up, add it to it. Whip up that, madam mean. Look at that now, man. They will stay so jan sauce. They will stay so lima bean. Watch now, man. Add some olive oil to your pot. Add the epis, whip it up. Yeah, brother. They will stay so. Lima beans, add it, whip it up. Yeah, brother, add the jan. Eat it. I couldn't find the dry one, so please not kill me. So I'm stay so. Add some water. Yeah, brother. Watching a man, you see, I bore up my pepper with the clove, 80 style. Then I add parsley and thyme. Add some chicken bouillon, Maggi chicken season. Now look, whip it up. Yeah, brother. Taste it. Burn up. But look here now, man. Bad. Yeah, brother. Bad chef. Put that for cook. Wash your rice and add it to a pot. Yeah, brother. Whip it up. Put it for steam. Watch it now, man.
Flow with a flow. Flow with a flow. Stop like.
Bad rice, bad chef, man. Right now, me go share some food, man. Me mix it with baked chicken and no bacon. But my glad, me happy to me feel land. But that's glad, yo, watch ya, dog. Me and I sing fuckery. Watch ya, man, look on the rice, share some food. Add the baked chicken, add the pickle. Look at that now, man. Haiti, make me know how me a gwan. Cause remember the one bad chef, and I never few. So watch ya now. Say a prayer.
I up the above. God bless. Love.
Yes, peace and respect. So right now we're gonna taste this thing here. Burn up! No Saziz. Charge it. That rice here bad. Eat it. That one is a 10 out of 10.
When it comes to my food, me don't joke. Never you go say love, go turn coat. And if me no see no better, me nah vote.
Yo, no, me I forgot start cook that black rice here every week, dog. Yo, eat it. The rice and the pickle. Bad. Look on my plate. Clean.